explore life unfolds in the Emerald Cathedral of the Amazon canopy. Sunlight pierces the dense foliage in shafts of golden light, revealing a world of astonishing diversity. Spider monkeys swing gracefully between branches, their long limbs propelling them through the air with an elegance that belies the danger below. Meanwhile, sloths cling silently to moss-covered branches, relying on their patience and camouflage to survive. In the shadows below, the jaguar reigns supreme. Its stealthy movements are matched only by its explosive power. With a single leap, it can ambush prey, its bite capable of crushing bone and ending life instantly. Along the rivers, the green anaconda moves like a silent ghost, waiting for the perfect moment. These predators are the architects of balance in the forest, shaping populations and maintaining the delicate ecosystem of the Amazon. The Amazon River is more than a river. It is the lifeline of a continent. Stretching over 6,400 kilometers, it carries more water than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Beneath its surface, colossal arapaimas glide gracefully, their scales catching the filtered sunlight. Pink river dolphins dance through flooded forest, evoking ancient myths and legends. Every tributary, every eddy supports a hidden world of life, from microscopic plankton to massive predators. For every jaguar or anaconda, billions of smaller lives maintain the rhythm of the forest. Army ants march like living rivers, consuming everything in their path. Butterflies sip minerals from mud and, surprisingly, from the tears of larger animals. Tiny frogs hide among leaves, their calls echoing across the canopy. These creatures may be small, but their existence underpins the survival of the entire Amazon ecosystem. For thousands of years, indigenous peoples have lived in harmony with the Amazon. Their knowledge of medicinal plants, hunting techniques, and ecological balance is unrivaled. Rituals honor the cycles of nature, and stories carry lessons about respect, survival, and coexistence. They are the living guardians of a forest that has thrived for millennia. Yet this paradise is under siege. Forests are cleared, burned, or poisoned by illegal logging and mining. The Amazon is not only Brazil's treasure, it is the planet's shield, regulating climate and storing carbon. Its destruction threatens wildlife, indigenous communities, and the stability of our global ecosystem. The loss of this forest would ripple across the Earth, affecting every corner of our world. The Amazon rainforest is not a distant wilderness. It is the heartbeat of our planet, pulsing with life, regulating weather, and storing the hope of future generations. Every river, every tree, every creature is a testament to life's resilience. Protecting this forest is protecting ourselves because, in the end, we are all connected through this extraordinary web of life. Life in the Amazon is intertwined. Certain ants protect the trees they inhabit, warding off herbivores while feeding on nectar. Orchids cling to trees, absorbing sunlight without harming their host. These intricate relationships are a dance of survival, a network of dependencies where even the smallest species plays a pivotal role. When the sun sets, the forest transforms. Owls and nightjars patrol the canopy, while jaguars and ocelots hunt silently on the forest floor. Bioluminescent insects glow softly among the leaves, and amphibians call to each other in the dark. Nighttime in the Amazon reveals a hidden world, full of mystery and danger, yet perfectly balanced in its rhythms. Billions of insects crawl, fly, and burrow in the Amazon. From delicate butterflies to relentless army ants, each species contributes to the ecosystem. Insects pollinate flowers, recycle nutrients, and even provide food for larger creatures. Despite their small size, they are the engines of life, driving the cycles that sustain the forest. In the depths of the Amazon River, giants roam. Arapaimas, with their massive scales and powerful movements, glide silently beneath the water. The river also hosts giant catfish, turtles, and caimans, each a master of survival. These creatures remind us that life in the Amazon is not only diverse, it is monumental, a hidden kingdom beneath the currents. The Amazon is a symphony of color and sound. Macaws, parrots, and toucans dart through the canopy, each species displaying unique calls and behaviors. Birds are pollinators, seed dispersers, and messengers of ecological health. Their songs echo across the forest, reminding us that even in the wild there is rhythm, harmony, and purpose. Beneath the forest floor, fungi form a secret network. Mycelium threads connect tree roots, transferring nutrients and communication signals. Without these hidden allies, the forest could not thrive. Fungi are silent caretakers, decomposing fallen leaves, recycling matter, and supporting life in ways we are only beginning to understand. Every creature in the Amazon has evolved strategies to survive. Camouflage, speed, and intelligence allow animals to hunt or avoid becoming prey. From the brilliant poison dart frog to the cunning capuchin monkey, each species is a master of adaptation, demonstrating the ingenuity and resilience of life. The forest floor is a hidden world of decay and renewal. Fallen leaves decompose, nourishing the soil. Termites, beetles, and worms process matter that sustains trees and plants. Life on the ground may appear slow and silent, but it is a foundation for the entire rainforest ecosystem. The Amazon is a living pharmacy, Indigenous knowledge identifies plants that heal wounds, treat fevers, and fight infections. From the bark of the cinchona tree to leaves used in traditional remedies, the rainforest holds secrets that modern medicine is only beginning to discover. The Amazon plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate. Its trees absorb billions of tons of carbon dioxide each year. Rainfall patterns across South America are influenced by the forest's evapotranspiration. Losing this rainforest would have catastrophic effects on global weather and the survival of countless species. The rainforest is home to rare and endangered species, like the giant river otter, the harpy eagle, and the pink river dolphin. Protecting these animals is not only a matter of conservation, it is preserving the integrity of the forest and the balance of life that depends on it. Humans are not separate from the forest, they are part of its story. Every decision made beyond its borders, from deforestation to conservation, ripples through the ecosystem. The Amazon teaches us that our survival is linked to the health of the natural world, and that respect and stewardship are not choices. They are necessities.